Have you ever wondered why malls in Bangalore are decorated so extravagantly? It's not just for the festive vibes. It's a hidden opportunity for your online presence. Malls use lavish decorations to attract visitors, who in turn captures photos and share them on social media. This not only boosts the mall's visibility but also allows visitors to leverage the backdrops for their personal branding. By tagging the mall, using location hashtags and sharing festive moments, they gain more engagement and followers. For malls, this user-generated content is free advertising. Both visitors and malls benefit from this cycle. Malls decor boosts foot target, while visitors enhance their online presence with visually appealing content. So, what are you waiting for? Do you want to learn how to create content like this? Follow for more tips.